Hi there and welcome to this 2-minute tips video, and today we're going to be looking at the rotate tool functionality. So within the camera you have various options. We're still talking about playback functionality here, and rotate tool is one of those pieces of functionality that when I read the manual it doesn't really explain a great deal to me for something so simple. It says if on is selected, tall portrait orientation pictures will be automatically rotated for display during playback. Note that because the camera itself is already in the appropriate orientation during shooting, images are not rotated automatically during image review. So not really the most clearest when they put it in writing. However, what this actually means, and you'll find this functionality, let's have a look at that before we get started. You'll find this functionality in the playback menu, and it's about the second one up from the bottom. If you go in there, you've got two options, off and on. So if you have it selected to off and you shoot an image in landscape and then you look at it and you play it back on the in the EVF or on the LCD, it will be in the correct orientation. If you shoot in portrait mode and again you play it back while the camera's still in portrait mode, it will be in the correct orientation. However, if you play it back and you've turned it into landscape mode, which quite often we've moved back and we press the playback menu, the image will be at 90 degrees. It will still be as you shot it in portrait mode, so not great for reviewing. If, however, you select the setting to on and you shoot a landscape orientation image and look at it in landscape orientation, it will be in the correct orientation. If you shoot in portrait mode and then turn the camera back to landscape to preview the image or play it back, it will then adjust the image through 90 degrees, so it will be the correct orientation to view in landscape. However, it does crop the image down, so the long edge of the image will be the same length as the short dimension of the LCD or EVF. It is something that comes down to how you shoot and how you play back as to which of the settings are best for you. It would be great if Nikon could in future cameras build in a sensor like in a smartphone which detected the orientation of the camera and adjusted the image accordingly. Maybe we'll see that in future cameras, I don't know. Just a simple piece of functionality upgrade for Nikon to bring them closer to a smartphone in terms of functionality. I hope you found this useful. It is a very simple piece of functionality, but one that has confused me for quite some time until I've really looked into it and understood it. I hope you found this video useful. Let us know in the comments below how you have your rotate tool, your image playback set up. If you found this video useful, as always, hit subscribe, it does help the channel. Hit the notification bell and you'll be notified of other 2-minute tips and similar videos. And as always, I look forward to seeing you in a future video.